Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Today I am going to demonstrate how to draw and paint sunrise landscape scenery. Before that, I want to introduce art materials. I use here pencil for drawing 2B or 4B and pastel color also. If you are following this tutorial, you need to start with soft pencil on art paper. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first, we draw the basic line is horizon line. Then the bushes also. At the center, we draw our glorious sun and the V-shaped river or lake. This is the valley or river bank. Coconut tree, a rough drawing. Some birds are flying. Okay, I finished my drawing. Next step, colors. Let's start. At first, we color white, the starting point. We use here little bit lemon yellow, the range of the lemon yellow, then medium yellow. After that, we are using deep yellow. Then we use orange at the shape of half round. Then we use vermilion, the deep shade of orange. Then we go to primary red. Here we mix the color properly. Then we apply the orange. At the corner, we use the violet color for the darker shade. Then we use again the red to cover it up. Our sun is orange. Then we shade the primary red. With the earbuds, we can mix it up. We merge the color and the color also mix together very easily with the earbuds. Then we apply sap green. We covered the zone with properly with this color. Then we take Prussian blue for deep part. Then we take violet, deep violet at the bottom of the bushes. Then we mix with earbuds. At first lemon yellow. For the shading purpose, we use viridian green at the lower part. Again we repeat the light green. Then we use the burnt umber also. Then we use light green at the foreground and sap green. Then we apply the viridian green. Then we rub with finger tips. The color mix very gently. Now we are going to the reflection of water. We apply the white color, then medium yellow, gradually deep yellow. We covered with this color. Then we apply the orange at the edge of the river. We use here vermilion color. Then primary red also. The reflection of sun. Now we colored the sail of boat with the orange and red and violet. We mix the color again with primary red. Now we are color the coconut tree. At first we apply the sap green. Then we use the Prussian blue. Then use the black for more detail. Here we use at the bottom of coconut tree burnt umber or dark brown. Then we use the bushes or grass with the help of Prussian blue. Again we use the sap green on the top of the grasses. We use pencil for birds. I finished my landscape painting with pastel color. and hope you have enjoyed very much. My only advice to practice every day as much time as you can spend, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video and press the bell icon. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.